Bule ini langsung melongo lihat SCBD Jakarta. Awalnya dia kira Jakarta bakal macet dan biasa aja. Tapi pas naik MRT dan lihat gedung-gedung modern di SCBD, reaksinya langsung berubah. Katanya vibes-nya mirip kota maju di luar negeri, tapi tetap punya suasana khas Indonesia yang beda banget.
We are heading to the MRT station to catch a train to SCBD. Now, if you saw our last videos, you would see that we've already tried to take the metro, but absolutely failed. So we're going to try again today. Okay, so we're entering the station now. If you remember in my previous
Baru turun tangga menuju stasiun aja, dia langsung kelihatan penasaran sama suasana MRT Jakarta yang modern banget.
So we've just walked into the station. It's so nice and air conditioned, and you can see it's super clean and modern. You even have a ATM at your disposal. Oh, and I think you might have to put your bag through the security check. This seems to be such a common theme in Asia to do this. Hello.
Baru masuk ke stasiun MRT aja, si bule ini langsung kelihatan kagum sama suasananya. Stasiunnya bersih, dingin, modern, dan suasananya mirip transportasi di negara maju. Bahkan sebelum masuk pun tas mereka harus diperiksa pakai alat keamanan seperti di bandara. Momen kecil kayak gini malah bikin mereka makin gak nyangka sama Jakarta sekarang.
Hello. Oh, wow.
I want this one.
Look at this. So they also have coffee. Oh, bundle.
Okay.
Oh, okay, a bundle. This looks good. Can I please get this one?
No.
The OG and the kopi susu.
Pieces?
Yes, please.
Belum lama masuk stasiun MRT. Dua bule cantik ini malah langsung penasaran sama jajanan yang dijual di dalam. Mereka akhirnya berhenti sebentar buat beli kue karena penasaran mau coba rasanya. Kelihatannya hal kecil kayak gini malah bikin pengalaman mereka di Jakarta makin seru.
Oh,
This
my
is
god.
so good.
I think you're going to go to heaven with the chocolate. Okay, we have this delicious setup going on.
Crazy.
And you can get a coffee and 5 of these little mini ones for 60k, which is not bad. Janine's just dying.
Pas nyobain kuenya, si bule cantik ini sampai langsung bilang kalau rasa coklatnya enak banget. Mereka bahkan duduk santai sambil menikmati kue khas Indonesia itu dengan ekspresi kagum. Kelihatan banget mereka gak nyangka jajanan sederhana di Jakarta bisa sana ini.
Unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Definitely get them when you come in. Now we're going to try and find out how to get there. Oh. Did mine work?
You're working.
Oh, yeah? Oh! Oh! I nearly got trapped in the thing.
Sambil jalan menuju peron MRT, dua bule cantik ini masih terus ngomongin rasa kuenya yang tadi mereka coba. Pas ngetap kartu buat masuk pun mereka kelihatan masih kagum sama suasana stasiun yang modern, bersih, dan nyaman banget.
8,000 total, yeah, okay?
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna pay now.
Yeah.
Oh, thank
And you
you.
can pay with me.
Oh.
It's okay.
So the lady is actually paying with her QR code and we're just giving her the cash. So sweet.
Yeah, that's not in their contract, I guess.
So this is where we're going and
Pas mau masuk ke peron MRT, ternyata saldo kartu si bule cantik ini malah habis. Tapi yang bikin mereka kagum, salah satu petugas cantik di sana langsung bantu isi ulang pakai kris miliknya sendiri. Si bule kemudian mengganti pakai uang tunai, bahkan sempat mau kasih tips karena merasa pelayanannya baik banget. Mereka sampai ngobrol sambil jalan karena masih gak nyangka bisa ditolong seramah itu. Bahkan salah satu dari mereka bilang kalau pelayanan seperti ini bakal susah ditemui di Inggris.
cash to pay for us and wouldn't accept a tip because it's not allowed by our company to accept tips in the station because of the CCTV. But how cute was she?
She was so sweet.
Oh, the people in Indonesia are just the nicest people because I feel like if you're in England and someone asks for help like that, we'd just be like,
Fuck
like
off.
go away.
Setelah dibantu dengan pelayanan yang super ramah, akhirnya dua bule cantik ini mulai mendekati kereta MRT mereka. Tapi sepanjang jalan menuju peron, mereka masih terus kagum lihat suasana stasiun yang bersih, modern, dan nyaman banget. Kelihatan banget pengalaman kecil di Jakarta ini bikin mereka makin takjub.
But Super clean, nice and air conditioned. It's like a perfect way to cool down in this boiling hot city. And I'm so glad we actually got to take the metro, because last time we tried, we ended up on a bus that looked like a metro. It was really weird. But now we're here. First time taking the metro in Jakarta. Oh, very nice.
Akhirnya dua bule cantik ini berhasil masuk ke gerbang MRT Jakarta. Kelihatan banget mereka senang karena akhirnya bisa naik MRT setelah sebelumnya sempat gagal total. Sambil senyum bahagia, mereka terus lihat-lihat sekitar karena masih kagum sama suasana MRT Jakarta yang modern banget.
This train is so nice. It's literally super clean and everyone's really quiet, so I feel a little bit awkward talking right now because everyone's looking, but it's such a nice train. Oh, we've got seats! Here we are on the metro in Jakarta.
MRT.
We actually made it this time.
I'm so proud of us.
We're getting off already. That was so
Di dalam gerbong MRT, dua bule cantik ini terus lihat-lihat sekitar karena masih kagum sama suasananya. Mereka kelihatan nyaman banget selama perjalanan. Mulai dari gerbong yang bersih, suasana yang tenang, sampai penumpang yang tertib bikin mereka makin menikmati pengalaman pertama naik MRT Jakarta.
Proud of us.
We're getting off already. That was so quick. Just 2 stops, but each stop was only about 1 minute. Let's go and explore SCBD.
Gak terasa perjalanan MRT mereka akhirnya sampai juga. Dua bule cantik ini langsung siap-siap turun sambil senyum bahagia karena akhirnya perjalanan yang kemarin gagal sekarang berhasil juga. Mereka bahkan kaget karena perjalanan terasa sangat cepat dan nyaman. Pas keluar stasiun dan ngetap kartu lagi, kelihatan banget mereka makin semangat buat lanjut jalan-jalan ke SCBD.
Epic, look at all these buildings. So cool. I've been transported to New York, baby. Okay, so we're just taking a walk now into the SCBD area. Our first stop on the list is...
Baru keluar dari stasiun MRT. Dua bule cantik ini langsung dibuat kagum sama deretan gedung tinggi di area SCBD. Mereka sampai terus lihat ke sekitar karena gak nyangka suasana Jakarta bisa semewah dan semodern ini. Kelihatan banget mereka makin semangat buat lanjut jalan-jalan di pusat kota Jakarta.
Stay in there, top floor, sweet. Look how clean the streets are here. This is so different to anywhere else that we've been already. Like when you look at the floor, there's literally no trash. Nothing. It's so different to where we're staying. Okay, we have entered the mall and there's already so many designer shops like Hermes. And you know that you're in a fancy luxury mall when the smell hits.
Sambil jalan di area SCBD, dua bule cantik ini terus dibuat kagum sama suasana di sekelilingnya. Mereka bahkan sampai heran karena jalanan dan area pejalan kaki terlihat sangat bersih tanpa sampah sedikit pun. Hal kecil kayak gini malah bikin mereka makin salut sama Jakarta modern sekarang. Lanjut part 2 ya. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan bunyikan loncengnya biar gak ketinggalan perjalanan seru berikutnya. Kadang yang bikin orang kagum bukan cuma tempatnya, tapi juga kebiasaan baik orang-orang di dalamnya.